What if I told you Facebook, or rather Meta, is about to make a play that could seriously disrupt the entire AI chip industry? We're talking a game changer here, folks. Forget just relying on Nvidia. Meta is reportedly looking to buy FuriosaAI, a South Korean AI chip startup, and that sends shockwaves through Silicon Valley. Is this a genius move by Zuckerberg, or a recipe for disaster? Let's dive in. Okay, so here's the deal. Meta, that's Meta on the NASDAQ, is reportedly in talks to acquire FuriosaAI. Now, FuriosaAI isn't exactly a household name, but they're making some serious noise in the AI chip space. They're known for their cost-effective and high-performance AI chips, designed specifically for AI workloads. Meta's interest is crystal clear. They want to reduce their reliance on Nvidia, control their own destiny in AI, and potentially save a lot of money in the long run. This isn't just about saving a few bucks, it's about strategic control of their AI infrastructure. Let's break down the immediate impact. First, Meta wins. They get in-house expertise to develop custom AI chips tailored to their llama models and metaverse ambitions. Think faster innovation, lower costs, and a huge competitive advantage. This is about more than just cheaper chips. It's about having silicon designed specifically for Meta's AI needs. This is a big deal for their AI models like Llama 2 and Llama 3. They can optimize the hardware perfectly for the software. Next, FuriosaAI hits the jackpot. They go from a promising startup to a powerhouse overnight. Imagine the resources, the engineering talent, the sheer volume of data they'll have access to. This acquisition validates their technology on a massive scale. It's like winning the lottery for AI chip startups. Plus, all those FuriosaAI employees, they're suddenly part of the Meta ecosystem. Career opportunities just exploded. But there's always a loser, right? And in this scenario, it's Nvidia. Meta is a huge customer. Losing that business is a significant blow. Plus, FuriosaAI, backed by Meta's deep pockets, becomes a serious competitor. This isn't just about one lost customer. It's about the potential for a major shift in the AI chip landscape. Nvidia needs to watch out. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The AI chip market is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Meta/FuriosaAI challenging Nvidia and AMD? That's a recipe for innovation. We're talking more specialized, cost-effective AI chips hitting the market. And guess what? Other companies are going to scramble to find similar acquisitions or partnerships. This is going to heat up the entire AI chip sector. Don't forget about South Korea. This acquisition is a massive win for their tech ecosystem. Expect more investment, more talent, and a surge in valuations for South Korean AI and semiconductor startups. FuriosaAI's success story is going to inspire a whole new generation of entrepreneurs. The South Korean tech scene is about to get a serious boost. And what about the cloud giants like AWS, Azure, and GCP? They're going to be feeling the pressure. Meta's custom chips could give them a serious edge. Expect cloud providers to start diversifying their AI chip offerings to compete. This could drive demand for other AI chip startups, creating even more competition and innovation. The cloud wars are about to get a whole lot more interesting. Finally, consider all the other AI model developers out there. They're going to be clamoring for access to FuriosaAI's technology. Expect lobbying, partnerships, and potentially even pressure on Meta to make FuriosaAI's capabilities available through cloud services. Everyone wants a piece of the AI chip pie. Let's talk about the long-term implications. We're talking job creation in South Korea and at Meta, but also potential job displacement at Nvidia if Meta significantly reduces its reliance on their chips. This is the double-edged sword of technological advancement. We'll see increased economic activity, especially in South Korea and the US, as investment in AI chip manufacturing and development surges. More efficient and cost-effective AI chips will accelerate the development and deployment of AI across various industries. This acquisition also improves Meta's technological sovereignty, reducing reliance on a small number of suppliers for critical AI infrastructure. But with great power comes great responsibility. The further deployment of AI raises ethical concerns about bias, privacy, and job displacement. We need to be vigilant about ensuring AI is used responsibly and ethically. This also has implications for national security. Maintaining a technological advantage in AI is crucial for national security, but intensified competition in the AI chip market can escalate geopolitical tensions. This is a high-stakes game. Now, let's pump the brakes for a second. This isn't all sunshine and roses. There are some serious risks involved. First, the technical challenges. Integrating FuriosaAI's tech into Meta's existing infrastructure could be a huge headache. We're talking compatibility issues, performance bottlenecks, and the need for significant modifications. Can Meta really make FuriosaAI's chips work seamlessly with their Llama models? That's the million-dollar question. And what about scalability? FuriosaAI is a startup. Can they really scale up production to meet Meta's insane demands? Manufacturing capacity, supply chain management, quality control, these are all major hurdles they'll have to overcome. Think about it. Meta needs millions of these chips. Can FuriosaAI deliver? Let's not forget about technological obsolescence. The AI chip industry moves at lightning speed. FuriosaAI's current technology might become outdated relatively quickly. Meta needs to make sure FuriosaAI can keep innovating to stay competitive. This isn't a one-time purchase. It's a long-term investment in innovation. Now, let's talk business. The price Meta pays for FuriosaAI needs to be justified. Can they really save money and improve performance enough to make this acquisition worthwhile? If they overpay, it could be a disaster. And what about competition? Other companies were reportedly interested in FuriosaAI. Did Meta overpay to win the deal? That's a question investors will be asking. And let's not forget about the beleaguered global supply chain. Acquiring FuriosaAI doesn't magically solve all of Meta's supply chain problems. They're still vulnerable to disruptions. Geopolitical tensions and trade restrictions could also impact the acquisition. This isn't just about technology. It's about navigating a complex global landscape. Finally, let's talk ethics. This acquisition could lead to job losses at either Meta or FuriosaAI. Meta needs to handle this responsibly. The acquisition could also give Meta access to more data, raising concerns about data privacy. And what about bias in AI? Meta needs to ensure that the AI systems powered by FuriosaAI's chips are fair and unbiased. The ethical implications are significant. So, is Meta's potential acquisition of FuriosaAI a stroke of genius or a risky gamble? The truth is, it's probably a bit of both. The long-term effects will depend on how Meta integrates FuriosaAI, how competitors respond, and how the AI chip market continues to evolve. One thing is certain, the AI chip war has begun, and Meta is ready to fight. This is going to be a wild ride, folks. What do you think? Is Meta making the right move? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis.